guys, welcome to another episode of Car Aligner Quick Tips. I'm John Murray, sales and technical consultant for B&R Associates. We're a car aligner distributor in the Maryland and Virginia area. Today we're going to be talking about how to securely mount a draw aligner, aka tower, to the car aligner bench rack. So let's get to it. So the first thing we want to do when we're mounting our draw aligner is let the machine down until it gets onto its legs. Now this machine is above ground. If your machine is in a pit, you may have to raise the machine up until you get to the level where the draw aligner can go onto the machine. So keep that in mind. Now that you have the bench rack or your machine at the correct height, you're going to want to slide the draw aligner onto the frame of the machine. So now that we have the draw aligner on the frame of the machine, we're going to want to look at this hook right here. Now this hook is connected to these wedges back here. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to flip our hook up and push it on. Okay? So now we're going to come over to our wedges and we're going to make sure that this wedge right here is down. Okay? Now that that wedge is down, we can hit this in with a hammer. Now that we have our wedges in the correct position, we just hit this wedge with a hammer. Should be good enough. Now before we pull anything with this, we need to lift the machine up. If nothing else, just lift it up a little bit so these wheels are off the ground. If you start pulling with these wheels on the ground, the machine will dig into the ground and you'll hurt those wheels. So make sure you lift up the machine a little bit before you start pulling. Okay, now to take this draw aligner off, we want to lower the machine until the wheels are all the way on the ground. And we're going to come over to the reverse side that we hit when we put it on and hit this side with the hammer. Go ahead and hit that with a hammer. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to take this wedge, this guy right here, pull it up, okay? Once that wedge is up, we can push, okay? And then you'll see this will disengage and we'll just let it go. The wedge will be perpendicular to the draw aligner and we can pull it away. So we will just simply grab it right here and pull it off the machine. Okay? All right, that's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you need anything car aligner, give us a call. Information should be at the bottom of the screen. Our next video will be on the pulling options for the draw aligner, so stay tuned for that. See ya.